Still searching for a scraper that automatically changes blades and has built-in storage? Let the Nova Auto Load Scraper handle your tasks. When your blade gets dull from scrubbing kitchen stains, just pull it out. Push it back in. Wow, a new blade is automatically in place. Easy and effortless. From removing candle wax on the countertop to peeling off Christmas window decals, a light scrape gets the job done. Hang it in a visible spot and keep your kitchen clean anytime, anywhere. Not just for the kitchen, this scraper is perfect for your workshop too. Whether you're at home or on the job, simply grab it. Give the slider a push, and your new blade is ready to tackle any task. Ergonomic handle for a secure grip, reducing hand fatigue and muscle strain during long tasks. On the back, you'll find a blade storage compartment. Just pull out a blade, take out the blade without tools, push it back to reset, and the auto load system instantly loads a new blade. Fast, easy, and hassle-free. Additionally, there's another blade storage compartment holding up to 4 razor blades. Easily access your spares, so you won't have to search for blades while you work. The razor blade is a standard metal blade known for its sharpness and durability. The scraper's front end is thicker than most, with a specially designed metal holder that supports the blade, ensuring it won't break when handling tough materials. Let's see how this scraper performs in real-life situations. Whether you're scraping paint spills from a renovation, tackling stubborn decals, or peeling off long-forgotten stickers, this tool makes the job effortless. And with the handy lanyard hole, you can easily keep your scraper within reach. Ready for a scraper that never lets you down? Get yours today and make every task easier.